Hello, now we are going to learn about CAM pathway. CAM means crushylation acid metabolism. It is also one method of carbon fixation. Here it is firstly observed by Olieri and Rouhani scientists in succulent plants, mainly in Crushulaceae family members. So in CAM pathway, here the reactions are taking place in the night time and daytime. Here the reactions are same like C4 plants, but the difference is in C4 plants the reactions are taking place in the mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. In C4 plants, Kranz anatomy and chloroplast dimorphism is present. But here no chloroplast dimorphism and no Kranz anatomy, only mesophyll cells are involving. So the total complete reactions are taking place in the mesophyll cells only. Here the scotoactive stomata. Here the succulent plants or CAM plants are having the scotoactive stomata, means they open during the night time, close during the daytime. Why? Because if the stomata are open during the daytime, more water is lost. So to conserve the water in succulent plants, to conserve the water, the stomata are closed during the daytime and open during the night time. So that's why CO2 is fixed during the night time only. Here night time and daytime. So here the CO2 is entering during the night time into the mesophyll cells, and here the CO2 is in the form of bicarbonate. It is fixed by PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. So it is a 3-carbonous compound. It is fixing the bicarbonate or carbon, and it is converted into oxaloacetic acid, or oxaloacetic acid is formed. So it is 4-carbonous compound in the presence of peptase enzyme. So first carboxylation enzyme is peptase, and first CO2 acceptor is PEP, and oxaloacetic acid is formed. Next, oxaloacetic acid is converted into malate in the presence of here malic dehydrogenase enzyme. Here NADH is consumed, and oxaloacetic acid is converted into malate. So this malate or this acid, malic acid or malate, it is stored in the vacuole. So in the night time it is stored in the vacuole. So when it enters the when malic acid enters the vacuole, here low pH is present. So here the malic acid is stored in the vacuole. So it is called as acidification. So the acids, oxaloacetic acid, malic acid, both are formed during the night time. So acidification takes place during the night time only. Next, during the daytime, malic acid is here. It is coming out from the vacuole. So malic acid is undergoing one here decarboxylation and one dehydrogenation. So malic acid or malate comes out from the vacuole and undergoing the decarboxylation and dehydrogenation. So here NADP is converted into NADPH in the presence of NADP malic enzyme. So here in this reaction, in the pyruvate is formed and carbon dioxide is released. So malate is splitting into carbon dioxide and pyruvate. So carbon dioxide enters the chloroplast here. Pyruvic acid also enters the chloroplast. This carbon dioxide, which is removed from malate, that is fixed by the Rubisco enzyme. Here by Rubisco enzyme or RUBP. So involving in the Kelvin cycle. This CO2, second carboxylation is taking place in the chloroplast during the daytime. So it is daytime. It is daytime and it is night time. So here second carboxylation reaction is taking place during the light or during the daylight. So Kelvin cycle is taking place, and in this Kelvin cycle, per Kelvin cycle, starch is synthesized. So this starch is again here converted into triose phosphate in the night time. And here pyruvate also. So the pyruvate also entering the chloroplast, converted into here, that is also involving in the starch synthesis. This starch, Kelvin cycle, starch is synthesized, and pyruvate also involving in the starch synthesis. Starch is here starch is producing the triose phosphates in the night time. So this triose phosphate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Triose phosphate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So during the night time. So complete reactions are taking place in the mesophyll cell only, but the reactions are separated by time, night time and daytime. So temporally separated, or the reactions are separated by time. So here acidification is acidification. Acidification takes place during the night time, and de-acidification taking place in the daytime. So starch synthesis also taking place in the daytime, during the daytime, and it is mainly meant for means in succulent plants to conserve the water, to reduce the loss of water. It is mainly adapted. The plants are adapted. So for the conservation of water, mainly these are adapted. So here Bryophyllum, Kalanchoe, Sedum, cactus plants, Opuntia, orchids, pineapple, agave. So these are the some examples for CAM plants. So that is about CAM pathway. Thank you.